What's up guys, back here with another video. Today's video we're going to be doing a little walkthrough. Be throwing a clutch in this IZ 252 stroke. Should be good. I'm going to go ahead and drain the oil though. You don't really have to, but I just did a top end so it might have a little coolant in it or something, so go ahead and swap it while we're doing it anyway. Pretty sure that guy is a 12 on a drain plug. Not to make a mess. Beautiful. Let that guy drain out. It's a lot nicer when you can do it inside. That way you got wind blowing the oil everywhere and you can't even catch it. So clean this washer. It's kind of made on it, but clean it off a little bit, make sure ain't no dirt underneath it. We'll let that drain out and pop the plug back in there, and then we'll put the rest of it back in there after we get the clutch done. Go ahead and torque that drain plug back. Should be good. Okay, go ahead and see what we're working with here. Got some stickers. Everybody loves the stickers. That's part of the whole job. And you should have all the plates and the springs. There's the metal plates. Got the light plate on its side, make things a little bit easier. I'm gonna try to get this cover popped off. That'll work. Anything off must be on there. Good. That guy to the side. And we can start breaking these guys loose. Okay, we got all bolts out. I'm going to pop our old springs out. Now I should be able to put all our plates out. Compare it to the new one to kind of show you guys. Them guys are almost in the middle. Should grip a lot better because it was starting to slip out. Just keep going. Run those up and torque them. And torque those down. Back brake lever put back on. 0.7 of a quart is 22.5 ounces, so 22.4. We'll call it 22.5. There we go. Gotta love a Kickstarter. What would you do with that? Okay guys, got the rest of the plastics put on. Got all the clutch done. No wool, everything's dry. We'll double check it after it gets hot. May have to re-torque them, but should be okay. Go give it a little test drive, let it get warm. Should be good. Looks more like a bike now. Better warm up for a minute and go do some test runs on the clutch. Clutch definitely feels a lot better already. Everything looks good. Sweet.